Alright team, let's talk about something that's probably happened to all of us. You're trying to do the right thing. Maybe you've swapped out your usual lunch for a salad, or you're blending up a smoothie in the morning, thinking you're making the healthiest choice. You're motivated, you're focused, and you're ready to see results. But let's get real for a minute. Despite all your best efforts, you might be feeling stuck. You're putting in the work, but the progress just isn't showing up the way you hoped. You're working hard trying to eat healthy, salads for lunch, smoothies for breakfast, you're skipping the drive-thru, you're saying no to donuts in the break room, and you're even meal prepping on Sundays. But the scale isn't budging, and it's maddening. You might even be feeling a little betrayed by all those so-called healthy choices. Here's the truth. Many healthy foods are loaded with hidden calories, sugar, and fat. It's not your fault. The food industry is really good at making things look healthier than they actually are. That cafe salad you picked up at lunch? It might be drenched in sugary dressing loaded with cheese, croutons, and candied nuts, sometimes packing in more calories than a fast food burger and fries. And those pre-made smoothies? They're often packed with fruit sugars, sweetened yogurts, and barely any protein or fiber. That means you're hungry again in an hour, reaching for snacks you didn't plan on eating. These foods are marketed as healthy, but the labels tell a different story. If you look closely, you'll see added sugars, oils, and ingredients you can barely pronounce. Food companies know you're busy and stressed, so they make unhealthy options look virtuous. They use buzzwords like natural, light, and superfood to catch your eye, but it's often just clever marketing. It's a trap, but you can outsmart it. The good news is, you don't have to give up on eating healthy. You just need to know what to watch out for. We're ditching the confusion and building a plan that's actually healthy, fast, and fits your life. Imagine meals that are simple to make, taste great, and actually help you reach your goals. No more falling for clever marketing or getting tricked by fancy packaging. You'll learn how to spot the real deal and skip the imposters. It's about making smart, simple choices that work for you, like building salads with real, whole ingredients and making smoothies that actually keep you full. You're about to take back control, fuel your body for real results, and finally see the progress you deserve. Ready? Let's dive in and make healthy eating work for you, not against you. Imagine whipping up a fat-burning meal in less time than a social media scroll. That's the Slim Sync method. Designed for ambitious, busy people, it's not a diet, it's a system. 3 principles: speed, simplicity, nutrition. Every meal takes 10 minutes or less using simple, whole foods. Each plate half veggies, a quarter lean protein, a quarter smart carbs or healthy fats. No calorie counting, no stress, just balanced, portion-controlled meals. This becomes second nature, freeing your mind for what matters. It's about consistency, not perfection. Slim Sync is your secret weapon for busy days and late-night cravings. With this system, you're in control of your health, no matter how hectic life gets. Who is Slim Sync for? If you've ever felt like your busy schedule is holding you back from living your healthiest life, you're not alone. Maybe you've tried to make changes before, but between work, family, and everything else, it just never seems to stick. That's exactly who Slim Sync was designed for. The busy professional, lawyers, techies, consultants, parents, whose calendar is always full. If you're someone who juggles meetings, deadlines, and family responsibilities and still wants to prioritize your health, Slim Sync is tailored for you. It's for the go-getters, the multitaskers, and anyone who feels like there just aren't enough hours in the day. You want to lose stubborn weight and boost your energy, but complex diets and hours at the gym aren't realistic. Maybe you felt overwhelmed by all the conflicting advice out there, or frustrated by plans that demand too much time and energy. You're not looking for a quick fix. You want something that actually fits your life. High-stress, time-poor lifestyles lead to quick, unhealthy food choices, pastries, sandwiches, takeout. When you're running from one thing to the next, it's easy to grab whatever's convenient, even if you know it's not the best for you. These choices add up, making it harder to feel your best. These habits drain your energy and add pounds. Over time, you might notice you're feeling more sluggish, less motivated, and even a bit discouraged. It's not just about the number on the scale. It's about how you feel every day. You need a solution that's practical, efficient, and fits your life. Something that doesn't require hours of meal prep or complicated recipes. Slim Sync is about making healthy choices simple, so you can focus on what matters most. Slim Sync was made for you. Maximum results, minimum time. It's designed to work with your schedule, not against it. Imagine opening your fridge and seeing healthy meals ready to go, or grabbing a snack that actually fuels your day. If you've failed with complicated plans before, this is your answer. Forget the endless lists of forbidden foods and the guilt trips. Slim Sync is about progress, not perfection. It's about building habits that last, even when life gets hectic. Whether you're a parent trying to set a good example for your kids, or a young professional looking to finally take control of your health, Slim Sync adapts to your needs. It's flexible, forgiving, and focused on real life. It's not about overnight change, It's about small, smart tweaks that add up. Each healthy choice, no matter how small, moves you closer to your goals. Over time, these little changes become second nature. This plan fits into the cracks of your day, making healthy eating the easy choice. Whether you have 5 minutes or 50, SlimSync helps you make the most of your time so you never have to choose between your health and your schedule. No more overwhelm, just a system that works as hard as you do. You'll feel empowered, not restricted, and supported every step of the way. You're not alone in this. With SlimSync, you'll join a community of people who understand your challenges and celebrate your wins. Together, you'll build momentum and stay motivated. SlimSync is for anyone ready to make health simple and sustainable. No matter your background, your goals, or your starting point, you can succeed with this approach. Ready to make a change? Let's get started. Your healthiest, happiest self is just a few small steps away. Mornings set the tone for your entire day, and what you eat first thing can make all the difference. Let's start your day with a breakfast that fuels success, sharpens your focus, and keeps you energized from the moment you step out the door. Forget sugary cereals or plain toast. Those quick fixes might fill you up for a moment, but they'll leave you crashing before your first meeting. Instead, think protein, healthy fats, and speed. Enter the Power Up Scramble, your new go-to breakfast for busy mornings. All you need are 2 or 3 eggs, a generous handful of fresh spinach, about 50 grams of creamy feta cheese, and a pinch of chili flakes for a little kick. Don't forget a dash of salt and pepper to bring out the flavors. These simple ingredients pack a powerful nutritional punch. Crack the eggs into a bowl, whisk them together with your seasonings until they're light and fluffy. Heat a non-stick pan with a touch of olive oil, then pour in the eggs. As they start to set, toss in the spinach so it wilts just right, and crumble in the feta for a creamy, tangy finish. Stir gently, letting everything come together. In less than 5 minutes, you'll have a hot, satisfying breakfast that looks and tastes amazing. Plate it up, and you're ready to power through your morning. This combo isn't just delicious, it's designed to keep you full and focused for hours. The protein from the eggs and feta helps build and repair muscle, while the spinach adds fiber and essential vitamins to keep your mind sharp. You're looking at around 350 calories and a solid 25 grams of protein in one plate, perfect for busy mornings when you need lasting energy without the mid-morning slump. Plus, healthy fats from the feta and olive oil help you stay satisfied. Protein keeps hunger at bay and stabilizes your blood sugar so you won't be reaching for snacks or feeling foggy before lunch. It's a smart way to start your day on the right foot. Just 5 minutes invested in the morning gives you hours of steady energy and mental clarity. Imagine what you could accomplish with that kind of head start. No fancy ingredients, no complicated prep, just real wholesome food that works as hard as you do. It's about making smart choices that fit your lifestyle. Start your day like a boss. No more mid-morning crashes, no more sluggish starts. This is breakfast, upgraded for the modern professional who wants to win the day. Try it tomorrow and feel the difference for yourself. Quick, powerful, and delicious. This is the breakfast that transforms your morning routine. That's how you win your morning, by fueling your body and mind for success, right from the very first bite. Lunchtime shouldn't mean settling for a sad sandwich or skipping food. Meet the speedy salmon and avio bowl, no cooking, ready in 3 minutes. Ingredients: pre-cooked or tinned salmon, mixed salad leaves, half an avocado, pre-cooked quinoa, lemon juice, olive oil. Toss salad in a bowl, flake salmon on top, add avocado and quinoa, squeeze lemon, drizzle oil, sprinkle pepper, done. About 450 calories, 30 g protein, healthy fats, and slow-release carbs. This meal powers you through the afternoon, no energy crash, it's vibrant, filling, and takes less time than reading your emails. Strategic eating at its best, no more post-lunch slumps, just real food real fast. Make this your go-to lunch and stay sharp all day. Healthy eating doesn't get easier. Lunch sorted. After a long day, you need dinner that's comforting and quick. Enter 10-minute pesto chicken and veggies. Slice a chicken breast, grab frozen Mediterranean veggies, a jar of pesto and baby spinach. Cook chicken in a pan, add frozen veggies, stir until cooked. Lower heat, add pesto and spinach, stir until wilted. Around 400 calories, 35 g protein, nutritious and satisfying. Low in carbs, high in fiber and flavor. No chopping, no fuss, just a hearty meal in minutes. Perfect for muscle repair and a restful night. Skip the takeaway trap. This is comfort food, SlimSync style. Fast, healthy, and delicious. Dinner done. Snacking isn't the enemy, mindless snacking is. Smart snacks keep energy up and cravings down. The SlimSync go to Greek yogurt with berries. Full fat or 2% Greek yogurt, topped with fresh or frozen berries. Simple, portable, and satisfying, no prep needed. About 150-200 calories, 15-20 g protein. Protein and fiber keep you full and focused. Other options: apple with peanut butter, a handful of almonds, or hard-boiled eggs. Keep healthy snacks handy to avoid vending machine traps. This is your insurance policy against junk food. Snack smart, stay energized. That's how you win the afternoon. A great plan is only as good as your follow-through. Pro tip 1, batch cook proteins. Make extra chicken for lunches. Embrace frozen foods, veggies, berries, fish, no prep, no waste. Stock your freezer for healthy meals anytime. Create a desk snack drawer with nuts, low-sugar protein bars, and nut butter sachets. Make healthy choices the easiest option. Use your phone for meal and snack reminders. A simple alarm can pull you away from your desk to refuel. Little nudges build powerful habits. Micro-prepping and smart storage save time and stress. Consistency beats perfection. Make Slim Sync automatic in your life. That's the Slim Sync method, simple, effective, and built for real life. We've replaced confusing health foods with a clear, actionable plan. 10-minute meals, smart snacks, and pro tips, no more excuses. Invest 30 minutes a day in your nutrition and watch your energy, focus, and confidence soar. This isn't about drastic change, it's about small, consistent wins. Try the Power Up Scramble tomorrow and see the difference. Build on each success, and results will follow. You have the plan and the power to change. Share this with a friend who needs it. For more tips and recipes, subscribe or follow on social. Let's get lean, healthy, and smash our goals together. Your journey starts now. Let's go.